If you're trying to see your Instagram call history on your iPhone in 2026 and you can't find a specific call history section inside the app, don't worry. Here's what you need to know. First, open the Instagram app on your iPhone and go to your messages. To check call history directly inside Instagram, you need to open each individual chat. There isn't a single page that shows all your Instagram calls. So you'll have to tap on a conversation, then check inside that chat to see if there were any voice or video calls made. You may see call details like the date and time within the conversation. Now, if you want a faster way to see your call history, there's something important to understand. When you make Instagram calls on your iPhone, they can also appear in your regular phone app call log. So instead of checking chat by chat, you can simply open the phone app on your iPhone. Tap on Recents, and there you may see your Instagram calls listed along with your regular calls. This is usually the easiest way to see all your recent calls in one place. So remember, Instagram does not have a centralized call history page inside the app. You either check each chat individually or you go to your iPhone's phone app and look under Recents. And that's it. That's how you can see your Instagram call history on iPhone in 2026. If this helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials. See you in the next video.